Hi everybody, I'm Master Kelly. Welcome to your virtual pad work lesson of the day. Now in today's lesson, we're gonna work on flexibility, okay? So today I'm gonna hold a paddle. Now what I want you guys to do is that you're gonna be throwing an axe kick whenever you see the paddle facing like this. So when you see the paddle looks like this, I want you guys to swing your leg up and axe kick straight down, okay? When you see the paddle like that. Now, when I do it like this, that means I want you guys to roundhouse kick. You can pick any leg you want. Now also, if you want a good practice with your spinning hook kick, I recommend mixing it up. So every once in a while, when you see this, if you're able to do it, throw a spinning hook kick instead. Okay, so remember, just to review, this is round kick, use the top part of your foot. Okay, this is spinning hook kick, use your heel. Okay, so if you want to practice the round kick, when it's like this, that's okay. If you want to practice the spinning hook kick, that's okay too. Okay, make sense? Awesome, all right. So let's go ahead and practice that move. All right, you guys ready? All right, let's get started. Hands up fighting stance. Awesome, ready, and axe kick. Nice, good job. Axe kick. Good, nice. Make sure you swing the leg up and down, okay, in a straight line. Ready, and axe kick. Good job. Axe kick. Good, round kick. Good, nice. Now use either leg, okay? Ready, go round kick. Good, nice, good job. Round kick. Good job. Ready, axe kick. Good, axe kick. Good, round kick. Good, now spinning hook kick. Nice, good job. Spinning hook kick. Good job. Try to keep up. Ready, axe kick. Good, axe kick. Good, axe kick. Nice, good job. Round kick. Good job, round kick. Good, round kick. Good, try to spin all the way when you round kick, okay? Make a full circle when you kick. And make sure you keep those hands up. Ready, round kick. Awesome, good. Axe kick. Good, axe kick. Good, spinning hook kick. Good job, ready, spinning hook kick. Good, spinning hook kick. Awesome, good job, you guys. Couple more, axe kick. Good, axe kick. Good, axe kick. Good, axe kick. Awesome, very good work. Okay, now here's what you're gonna do now. This time, we're gonna work on getting our leg from low all the way to the very top. If you can go above your head and kick, that'd be awesome. And if not, don't worry. You practice every day. You practice your stretches at the end of class, and you continuously practice. Eventually, you'll kick above your head. You'll kick very high, okay? So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna hold the paddle right down here for now. Now, here's what I want you guys to do. If it's on this side, I want you guys to use one of your legs. Use your right leg. If it's on this side. If it's on this side, make sure you use your left leg. Use the other leg, okay? So we're gonna do 5 kicks total. We're gonna go really slow. We're gonna start lowest to highest, okay? On hands up fighting stance. Awesome, our axe kick down low. 1, good, nice, ready? 2, good, nice, a little higher. 3, good, try to reach up higher. Ready? 4, good, one more. 5, good, nice, good job. Let's try the other leg now, ready? And 1, good, ready? 2, good job, ready? 3, good, 4, good, try to kick above your head. 5, nice, good job, awesome, you guys. All right, now we're gonna do the same thing with round kick, okay? I want you guys to start with your right leg first. We're gonna round kick this direction, okay? Round kicking with your right leg, hands up here. Awesome, ready, and 1, good, 2, good, 3, good, 4, good, one more. 5, nice, good job. All right, guys, try the other leg. Okay, do as best as you can. Ready? And 1, good job. 2, good work. 3, good job. 4, good, one more. 5, awesome, very good job, you guys. Have fives, awesome. All right, try it yet? Good, can you? Awesome, very good job, you guys. I'll see you in the cool down. Awesome job, you guys. Now we're gonna go ahead and end class today with a cool down. Okay, so go ahead and have a seat on the ground. Let's go ahead and start with a 1 foot out, 1 foot in, just like this. Pulling your toes back, and then reaching up for the sky, and then going all the way down as far as you can. Now remember, you can't touch your toes, it's okay. Go as far as you can, keep your legs straight. Now repeat after me. I want to say hana, good, set, net, awesome job. All right, now here's what I want you guys to do. I want you to take 1 foot, cross it over your ankle like this, We're gonna start rotating our ankle really slowly. Okay, rotating really slowly. Let's say hana, doer, set, net, toss it. Now we're gonna go the other way now. Ready? Let's say hana, doer, set, net, toss it. Awesome job. All right, now this time I want you guys to go ahead and bend your knee just like this. Okay, you're gonna bend it up, stretching out your leg like this. I want to say hana, doer, set, net, toss it. Good. Now we're gonna stretch this leg one more time. We're gonna keep this foot right here, and we're going to reach down while this foot's on top. Ready? I'm gonna say hana, doer, set, net, toss it. Good job. Awesome. All right, now we're gonna switch legs. We're gonna go on the other side this time. Feet out just like this, reaching down for your toes. Ready? And let's say hana, doer, set, net, toss it. Good job. All right, now put this leg over the top. We're gonna start rotating our ankle just like this. And let's say hana, doer, set, net, toss it. Good. Now go the other way. Let's say hana, doer, set, net, toss it. Good. Now we're gonna bend our knee just like this, stretching out our leg. Ready? Everyone say hana, doer, set, net, toss it. Very good job. Now having this leg straight, going down as far as you can. Ready? Everyone say hana, doer, set, net, toss it. Awesome job, you guys. All right, now next one we're gonna do, we're gonna have our feet up right in the center just like this. Good, go and flap your wings a little, flap it out a little bit. Good, nice. Now we're gonna go down and we're gonna count 10 in Korean this time. Ready? Everyone say hana, doer, set, net, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome work. Okay, now next one, we're gonna have your feet apart as wide as you can. Good, we're gonna reach down to one side, looking down at your knee, okay? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Now go to the other side, keep counting. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good job, nice. Now we're gonna go down to the middle. Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Nice, awesome job. All right, let's go ahead and stretch out our back a little bit. This time, we're gonna go ahead and go in this position here. We're gonna have our feet on the ground, hips together. Good. Looking up to the ceiling. And we'll say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go back down on your knees just like this. Good. Now I'm gonna take your hands like this. We're gonna turn our hands upside down, put them on the ground like this. Now very slowly lean back to stretch out your wrist. Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good. Now we're gonna rotate our hands. We're gonna put our fingers down like this and lean back. We're gonna keep counting. Everyone say 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Nice. Awesome job, you guys. Everyone give me a high five. Awesome. Very good work today. We're gonna go and stand up. 차렷. Good. 그녀. Awesome job today, you guys. I'll see you guys in the next lesson. Goodbye.
Hey parents, are you looking for a way to help your child get more active, more confident, more resilient, and more focused? Hi, my name is Taylor Kelly, creator of Dojo Go, and today I would like to introduce to you our very own app called Dojo Go TV. Our app will give you access to a library of different courses updated throughout the year for your kids to enjoy full-length lessons away from YouTube. This means no ads, no suggested videos, and your membership continues to support Dojo Go content. Each series inside the app takes your kids on an interactive story to help them not only learn the moves from martial arts, but also have lots of fun along the way. Members on the app will be able to join a weekly Zoom lesson that meets every Saturday at 2:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Our app is also available on Roku devices as well as computers. If you're ready to start, click the link below to join our program now.